is that? Ugh. Ugh. I don't want to hear from any of these people. Why am I doing this? Why am I like this? You did, Marissa? Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, look at me. La 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 la. Chantal's hair fibers. Before the gummies. I love him. After the gummies. You got something on your nose. Joe. I know, Joe. What am I gonna do? And in my eyes. Oh no, who bothered me? How much did I take? I think 150. Who's leaving? Oh my gosh! And they call her Unibrow. We were like friends. We used to talk on the phone together, didn't we? Hey, Chantal's hair fibers. Don't be a jerk. Don't say that. Not funny. You know that, right? You should not be eased into traffic. Oh my god, look at my eyeliner. I also... Do you feel like I've changed as a person? I feel like I've changed as a person. I'm not sure why. No? I have? I'm not sure, just... Queen of Bees. Like if I watched like a mukbang from when I like first moved in here with Pete's. Oh yeah, don't accidentally flash. I'm like nude under here. Yeah. You're always welcome. Thank you, Leslie. I got sexy just for you guys, because you know what? Who needs a man when you have 943 people watching you? And if any are hot men, yeah, me. Hi, sweetheart. All right. Calm your tits. Here. Don't eat on my new pillowcase. Here. There. That's it. That's it. Cleavage. Anyways. Hi. Sorry, I don't mean to. No wardrobe malfunctions, I know. Sorry, guys. Hi, Angie. Oh, so cold. I need to put a sweater on. I seriously need a sweater. I'm freezing. I just gave her one on Alright. If if I tell you this story, this for me means that I will officially probably never speak to this person again. And number two, you're going to be mad at me. So, if you don't want those things to happen, I'm not going to tell you. But I could use some insight from people. Do you think my hair grew a little bit? Or is it not? Is it just me? It doesn't feel like it's growing. No. It's longer but thinner. Uh-oh. With what you're about to say. Alright, so I did continue to see Dom after. So whenever I found out that message and I went absolutely nuts and brought his laundry back, I was supposed to stop seeing him, and I had it in my mind that that was going to happen. And I was like, you know what, I'm not talking about him anymore at all, because he had gotten in a fight with me. He really hated that I talked about him. He didn't want me to talk about him. He didn't seem to believe me that he didn't think it was an accident, and he didn't like, like the picture I drew of him, like, I want to make this 100% clear. I 100% understand why he's angry, like, with that, like, 100 fucking percent, okay? I don't pretend to not, I understand. So, I'm trying to remember, like, what happened. Bowl of sunshine, welcome to Very Important Visitors. Ready, set, peace. Sorry. Hi, Val. Thank you, welcome, bowl of sunshine. Cat treat. Go eat it. Anyway, so, well, what happened after that? What happened the day after that? We had talked it out. Sorry, Taylor. We had talked it out or something, I don't know. We, like, have fucking really bad fights, like, arguments, really bad. We're always fighting. Like, sometimes we have moments together that are so good, and then sometimes, like, the good is really good, and the bad is so bad. And I hate feeling like that. And he doesn't like feeling like that. Like, it's like an icky feeling, you know? Sorry for the boobs. Hold on. So then at this point, I think I realized, like, I'm in love with this guy. Like, we're very confused about what we are because we never really made it official. It's like, but we would talk about it all the time and have, like, you know what I mean? So it was just like, anyway, I was like, I'm in love with this guy. I want to see him every day. I want to see him all the time. I cleaned my house. I cleaned my house, like, top to bottom, because I wanted him to come here. And we would get in fights, like, every day, like, over stupid shit, like, I don't know, I don't want to go into detail what we'd fight about, but like he never called me back, and he'd be like, well, I'm busy with my friends, I tell you with my friends, and anyway, it was just like stupid shit like that. So, and then he found out like what everyone was saying about him online. Like he found out everything online, like what I said about him. People knew his name, whatever. Livid. He was so mad and like so hurt, and I didn't know what to say. So I went and picked him up, and so he could come here so we could talk. It was just like rocky since then, like really bad. We had a really good night here, but it was like awkward a bit. And he like showed me so many messages from like people, from women, from my haters, different people, like, is this your fan? Do you know this person? And I'm just like, you know, like, why are you talking to these people? But I don't know, like, I was like, oh, I'm just messing with people. No, but the thing is like, okay, where am I going with this? Okay, so what happened was, tired of being silent right now, and I'm gonna try to talk and not cry. Or maybe I'm just gonna cry. I'm kind of just tired of being silent about it, because I think it's a big reason why I'm so messed up. And I feel like I should tell you guys, because you're my audience and I share my life with you. And I have something to tell you guys, I guess, talk about what's going on. And it's not easy to talk about. I've kind of just been like bottling it in and like brushing it off like it's okay. So Baby and I decided to break up. I guess it's like out of necessity, because it's just the way. I don't want to talk badly about him. I don't really want to go into too much detail to respect his privacy. But I think a lot of you could see our dynamic, and it's changed a lot over the years. We've been together for like 8 years, and the first, I'd say, 5 years were amazing. You know, I never thought that I've ever been so in love with anybody. And, you know, when you're first in love, that feeling, are you coming to cheer up, mommy? But it just, I guess, like, same thing with Pete. Well, not the same thing with what happened with Pete, but after about 7 years, you know, get that 7-year itch, I guess. I don't know. I still love BB. I know he still has love for me, or at least cares about me, but I don't think that we're in love with each other anymore. Not right now, baby chance. That we're just not compatible. And I think that I'm really messed up. And he's so normal. I'll get a lot of hate for. I feel like it's karma because I had an abortion a long time ago. When I was with Pete, I was on the pill. And for whatever reason, it just didn't work, I guess. I don't know. But I ended up pregnant. And back then, I was so scared. I did not think I could be a mom. And he agreed. He didn't think he could be a dad. And I didn't know what to do. And it was early enough that I thought, okay, you have to make a decision. So I made that decision, and it haunts me to this day. I feel like, it's like karma. My life just really sucks right now. I think when I think of why I'm so sad, it's because I feel like my health, I feel like I did this. Like I ruined it. He doesn't understand depression or eating disorder. And we're just not compatible. Like, he's not a big communicator, very emotional, or, like a complete opposite of me, and I always need reassurance and attention, and it's just not there anymore, and it just can't be fixed. It can't. I know it can. I know it's a dead relationship. It's been for a little while. But sometimes it's easier to stay together. Like, this is our home, even though there's roaches. So, it's like stagnant, and something has to happen. And I'm just scared. I'm scared. Hey, like I'm happy all of a sudden. Emmy, welcome to Very Important Visitors. Ready? Hi, Fat Belly Kid. TM. Snizana. I want to take care of myself. I'm just impatient because he offers me attention now, and then I have to work on myself, and it's going to be a long time. Buffering? Is it buffering? What's up, foodie beauties? I'm sorry I'm so up close and personal today. I'm out and about. It's grocery day. I had roasted cauliflower and applesauce for breakfast because I have no food. So I'm out and about doing a lot of errands, and I came to the Works. If you haven't seen my last Works mukbang, it's my epic cheat day video, the Works Gourmet Burger, so check that out. So this is like, no, this is too good. This is crispy dill pickles with like beach house sauce, and This is a burger. It's called the 3-ring binder. It's on the veggie patty on a brioche bun. 3 onion rings, sauteed mushrooms, and Gouda cheese. Oh my god. So let's like dig in. I really want a crispy dill right now. Oh my goodness, you guys. Seriously. I'm gonna give you a big bite. Bite for you guys. I kind of just want to eat and be quiet, but this is sinful. Has chipotle ketchup too. I hope they gave me napkins. Oh, no! They seriously did not give me any napkins.